Have you ever wondered how yoga can improve your flexibility and strength? Welcome to the enchanting world of yoga, a practice that dates back over 5,000 years to the ancient sages of India. Yoga, a Sanskrit word, translates to union in English, signifying the unification of mind, body, and spirit. It's a holistic approach to health and well-being that has been embraced by millions worldwide. The beauty of yoga lies in its simplicity and versatility. It's not just about bending and twisting our bodies in complex poses. Instead, it's a profound journey of self-discovery and self-improvement, a path to achieving a balanced lifestyle and a stronger, more flexible body. Now let's delve into the benefits of yoga, particularly how it enhances our strength and flexibility. Yoga poses, also known as asanas, are designed to stretch, strengthen, and balance the body. These poses work on your muscles, joints, and even your bones, helping to increase your flexibility and strength over time. Whether you're struggling with tight hamstrings or looking to build up your core strength, yoga has something to offer. But the benefits of yoga extend beyond physical fitness. It's also a powerful tool for improving mental health. The practice of yoga encourages mindfulness and meditation, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. It invites us to slow down, to breathe, and to connect with the present moment. This mindfulness aspect of yoga can lead to improved focus, better sleep, and an overall sense of peace and well-being. Moreover, yoga is inclusive, welcoming everyone regardless of age, fitness level, or experience. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or someone who's never set foot in a gym, yoga has a place for you. It's about listening to your body, respecting its limits, and gradually pushing those boundaries. In essence, yoga is a journey, a practice that evolves and grows with you. It's a commitment to your health and well-being, a promise of flexibility, strength, and peace of mind. Now that we know why yoga is beneficial, let's explore some basic yoga poses and breathing techniques. Breathing is the essence of yoga. It links the mind, body, and spirit. Breathing, in the context of yoga, is not merely a biological function. It is a bridge that connects our physical and mental states, a tool that allows us to delve deeper into our awareness and presence. Just as each yoga pose serves a purpose, each breath we take during our practice also has its significance. Let's introduce you to some fundamental yoga breathing techniques, starting with the Dirga, or three-part breath. This technique helps to cultivate a full and relaxing breath, which is beneficial to both our yoga practice and our everyday lives. Imagine your torso as a vessel, filling up with air from the bottom to the top. Start by inhaling deeply into your belly, then expand your breath into your rib cage, and finally, let it reach into your upper chest. As you exhale, reverse the process. Let the air out from your chest, your ribs, and finally, your belly. Visualize the breath flowing like a wave, rising and falling in a steady rhythm. Next, we have the Ujjayi, or victorious breath, a breathing technique that involves a slight constriction at the back of the throat. It's like creating a whispering sound as you breathe. To practice this, inhale deeply through your nostrils, then exhale slowly, keeping your mouth closed, and make a soft ha sound in your throat. The Ujjayi breath is often used during asana practice as it helps to focus the mind, regulate body temperature, and maintain the rhythm of movement and breath. These breathing techniques, when mastered, can transform your yoga practice, enhancing your ability to connect with your body and focus your mind. They serve as a reminder that yoga is not just about the poses, but about the journey within. Remember, the key to yoga is in the breath. As you move into poses, keep these breathing techniques in mind. Let's dive right into the exercises. First on our list is mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. Don't be fooled by its simplicity. This pose is a robust foundation exercise that enhances your posture, balance, and instills a calm focus. To perform this, maintain a tall stature with your feet apart, aligning with your hips and toes forward. Ensure your body weight is evenly spread on both feet. Extend your arms by your sides, palms front-facing. Visualize a string pulling your head's crown towards the sky, extending your spine. This pose fundamentally provides grounding and stability, the perfect start to any yoga session. Up next is the downward-facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana, a comprehensive body stretch that fortifies the arms and shoulders, extends the spine, and stretches the hamstrings. Begin by placing your hands and knees on the ground, hands slightly ahead of your shoulders. Firmly press your hands into the mat, lifting your hips towards the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Make sure your feet are hip-width apart and slightly bend your knees if required. Take deep breaths and envision your chest moving back towards your thighs. This pose is excellent for enhancing flexibility and strength, alongside calming the mind and stress relief. Lastly, we'll try the cobra pose, or bhujangasana, a back-bending pose that strengthens the spine, stretches the chest, shoulders, and abdomen, and can enhance your posture. Lie flat on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders, elbows close to your body. Push your hands into the mat, slowly raising your chest off the ground while keeping your lower body firmly grounded. Retract your shoulders back and away from your ears, opening up your chest. This pose aids digestion and relieves stress and fatigue. Let's not get hung up on achieving perfect poses or mirroring a magazine picture. Yoga is about establishing a connection with your body, your breath, and your mind. It's a journey of patience, acceptance, and growth. So, don't fret if you're unable to reach your toes in downward facing dog, or if your cobra pose doesn't mirror the instructors. Maintain focus on your breath. Do what feels good for your body, and trust the process. Remember, these poses lay the groundwork for any yoga practice. With regular practice, you'll notice an improvement in your flexibility and strength. So, let's get started. Now that we've learned some basic poses and breathing techniques, it's time to put it all together. Let's begin by finding a comfortable space where you can move freely. Remember, this is your practice, and it should be enjoyable and stress-free. Start by settling into a simple seated position, perhaps the easy pose we've learned. Close your eyes and take a moment to connect with your breath. Feel it move in and out of your body, grounding you in the present moment. This is the essence of yoga, connecting your mind, body, and breath. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes and transition into our first pose, the mountain pose. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and let your hands hang naturally by your side. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, imagine any tension in your body melting away. Next, move into the forward bend. Remember the importance of transitioning smoothly, linking each movement with your breath. Inhale as you reach your arms up to the sky, and exhale as you fold forward, bending at the waist. From the forward bend, transition into the downward facing dog. Keep your breath steady, and even as you press your palms and heels into the ground, creating a triangle shape with your body. Let's finish our sequence with the child's pose. Lower your knees to the mat, push your hips back towards your heels, and rest your forehead on the mat. This is a pose of rest and surrender, a reminder to embrace patience and gentle self-care in your practice. Now let's repeat this sequence a few more times. As you move through the poses, focus on your breath and the sensations in your body. Remember, it's not about perfecting each pose, but about the journey and the connection you're creating with yourself. Consistency is key in yoga. The more you practice, the more you'll reap the benefits. Increased flexibility, strength, and a sense of calm and balance in your life. Remember, the journey of yoga is a personal one. Listen to your body and move at your own pace. So, what have we learned today about yoga? We've discovered that it's more than just a series of poses, but a holistic practice that combines physical postures with mindful breathing. We've dived into some foundational breathing techniques, learning how they can help us to focus and find balance, both on and off the mat. From there, we ventured into our first yoga poses, designed for beginners yet powerful in their ability to enhance flexibility and strength. We've seen how each pose, from the mountain to the downward dog, has its unique benefits, contributing to our overall well-being. We've also explored how to tie these elements together, creating a yoga routine that's personal and beneficial. Now it's up to you to take these lessons and incorporate them into your daily life. Not only will it improve your flexibility and strength, but it will also enhance your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this yoga journey. Remember, the most important step in your yoga practice is the next one. See you on the mat.